Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Having crashed through the level of 72.70 yesterday and printing an intraday low of 72.44, the Australian dollar has recovered and now looking back towards the top side of 73.65. If that level was respected, I do anticipate another downside test, looking towards around the 72.55-65 and maybe back towards that bottom side target, still holding around 72.25. After the demand coming back in front of the level, which was a key support at 107.5085, the euro has rallied further and now posting a fresh intraday high since the rebound of 110.95. This is where the resistance is, around 110.90 to 111.15. And while that level is intact, then I feel that the market will return back towards a bearish case. However, the RSI has restored a positive signal, so let's see how the market plays in today. The longer that level of 110.90 to 111.15 holds, then I feel we will see another down test back to the support level seen around 107.5085. The dollar yen story is still looking towards that top side, which is somewhere around 116.35. I feel the market is still holding a relatively respectful positive signal with the RSI above the midway point and the MACD married up to the positive signal, but a weak one at that. Still, the market may actually recover further for the next 20 to 60 points and then fail like previously on the last two attempts that we can see here. If so, then we're looking for a pullback towards that 114.70 support, which has been tested many times and failed. The support level of 130.60 still holding for sterling, and while it does so, the market has found a little bit of momentum coming back into play here, and especially with this slightly inverted hammer, that market could actually see a further recovery and look up towards 132.10 as an initial intraday target and reassess from there. You can see that the sterling Kiwi is gradually grinding higher and still keeping to his upside objective, which is around 194.20.50. Reassess from there as we may see another down test. Overall, though, from this heavy sell-off, the market is still relatively short, so I feel profit taking may increase. It would seem that gold has rejected that level of 2070-80 area overnight, and from the sharp decline now gives further questioning whether we've seen a top for now. Due to the recent breakdown in the RSI, keep an eye on this midway point. If this level goes, then I feel that the market will be looking further towards the region of 1,960. Still, the market overall, though, from the sell-off, got to 1,975. So from the high, really pretty much around a $100 point drop. In light of the pan, it was extremely overextended to the overbought case. So let's see if the bears are continuing to weigh on the market now. And also a very heavy sell-off in oil overnight. Rejecting that level of 125, the market plummeted down to $100, which was the initial target for the broader picture, that is. And at present, let me just bring that down. This is the key point, because if the market can take out that level of 100, then we could see a further decline back to $80 a barrel. Nevertheless, the divergence kicked in very strongly here to the bear case, and let's see if the bears are willing to take the market lower. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, but please keep an eye out for the intraday report and the end of the day wrap.